Welcome to my new IELTS vocabulary series. In this series, we will explore powerful words that can boost your IELTS writing and speaking. You will also find them super useful for your reading and listening tests. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. We will start off with a very important phrasal verb, account for. Well, it has several meanings. The first is to explain or justify something. She couldn't account for her strange behavior last night. The manager must account for the missing documents. Now some synonyms. Explain, justify, clarify. And some antonyms. Conceal, ignore, overlook. It also means to make up or constitute a part of something. Women account for a large percentage of the staff. Tourism accounts for most of the country's income. Imports account for about 40% of all food products. Again, some synonyms. Represent, constitute, form. Another meaning of account for is to be responsible for something or to be the cause of something happening. The error in calculation accounted for the budget shortage. His carelessness accounted for the failure of the project. Heavy rains account for frequent landslides in the area. Now some synonyms. Cause, lead to, result in. And some antonyms. Prevent, avoid, deter. Finally, it can also mean to track or report how something is used, usually money or resources. Every penny must be accounted for in the final report. The treasurer accounted for all the expenses. They couldn't account for several missing receipts. Again, some synonyms. Record, track, audit. And some antonyms. Misreport, overlook, lose track of. You might want to take this mini quiz to see if you have clearly understood everything so far. Now, here comes the practical session. You can see an IELTS writing task to prompt here and a short model answer. In the answer, account for has been used 3 times, although in no way are you encouraged to do so in a real test, because variety in vocabulary matters a lot when it comes to IELTS writing or speaking. But hopefully you will get a clear idea of the ways in which you can use this phrasal verb in real time. Now please read the prompt and the model answer carefully to understand the usage of the phrasal verb account for in the real context. It's time to recap. So, account for can mean to explain something, to make up or constitute a part of something, to be responsible for something, or to track or report how something is used.